Welcome back to the test kitchen. Today, it's all about the microwave. We're going to be making a lemon bar and a chocolate chip cookie. So let's get started.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. I know they'll be coming to find me soon, but I fear I'm getting used to being held by you. I got you in my space. I won't let go again. Baby, look what you've done now. If you keep holding me this way. I'd ever wanna go. Baby, look what you've done.
The taste test. It smells a lot like butter, which has me really nervous, but let's go. Taste. I wouldn't recommend eating this with your hands. I think it's the crust, but it just tastes a lot of flour with a hint of lemon. It has a tart element. It's not really sweet, but it is. I don't know how to describe it, but I don't really think it's worth it with the time it takes. Now on to the cookie. Slightly better than lemon. Tastes just a whole bunch of chocolate with some kind of other element that tastes like nothing. I don't know. I don't think either of these are do-overs. Well, my family tried the lemon bar. Apparently, it's really good. Maybe my taste buds are off, but I've been overruled. It's better than a cookie, and it's exactly how a lemon bar is supposed to taste. So, I suppose maybe the lemon bar is a do-over. So, maybe BuzzFeed was on the right track, but I'm not quite sure it's worth it So it's up to you at home to decide if you really want to do the recipe. Thanks for watching!